it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me for this craft bear project. This cute idea was created by my sister Bri, and as you saw in the beginning of the video, I had little clips of her house because we were having so much fun at her house filming this. She created all these adorable little post-it matchbooks in her craft room at her house, and it was so relaxing and fun to go over and craft with her and film this video. So we kind of teamed up with this. She created the project and did the tutorial here, but I'm doing the voiceover. She was a little too shy to do that, but I think she did an amazing job, and these are so creative. She actually came up with the design on her own, and it is so cute. So she just simply used cardstock, oh actually it's decorative scrapbook paper, and the adorable little post-it notes that you can find for $1. So for this project, you're going to need a scoreboard and an X-Acto knife. Bri also decorated it with some chipboard pieces and a brad, and of course some sturdy scrapbook paper. And the star of the show, which is the post-it notes, the little mini ones, we got these 4 to a pack for $1. So you're going to need a piece of sturdy scrapbook paper that measures 6 1/4 by 1 3/4. So stick your paper in on the 6 1/4 inch side in your scoreboard and turn it over to the back. So the part facing up right now is actually going to be the inside, and you're going to score this at 1 3/4, at 2, at 4, and at 4 1/4. So once you're done, just take it off of your scoreboard, and you're actually going to flip it over the opposite way. So this is the side that's going to be showing, and it's the outside of the little post-it note cover. So now we're going to do a little bit of measuring. Grab a ruler and lay it down, or you can use your craft mat, either way. But you're going to go ahead and grab your X-Acto knife. And you're going to make a little slit because this is the part where the flap kind of goes in there to keep this closed. So go over to 1 3/8, and that's the 1/8 mark right before 1 1/2. So 1 3/8, and you're going to make a slit all the way down about 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch from the top to 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. Just like that. So don't cut obviously the entire way through. Leave about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch on the top and bottom. Okay, so lay this back down, and now you're going to go to the right side of your little paper and go to 5 1/2 inches and just kind of put your finger there and eyeball an angled cut. Just do this on both sides. Try to match them up. You can take the little piece, match it up there if you want. But Bri usually just eyeballs it, and it comes out pretty well. So that's the little piece, that like little tip there is going to go inside the slit that you cut. So here's the inside, and this is what it looks like all scored. And you're just going to now fold on the 4 score lines that you made. Make sure you use your bone folder to make the creases really nice and tight, because you should be using pretty sturdy cardstock for this. So you just want to make sure those folds are nice and creased. And then it's just super easy after this. You grab the little post-it note, and it's going to go right there on that big area. See how cute? And then you're just going to add your, she used ATG tape. You can use Scor Tape or any double-sided adhesive that you have. And these are so cute. You're just going to pop that right in there. And it's the cutest little favorite and gift. So she just covered the entire back side with adhesive. And you know how post-it notes work. You can just peel these off, and it has a cute little decorative cover. So just center that in between those 2 inside score lines. And it should fit perfectly with just a little teeny tiny border all the way around. So there it is. Isn't that so cute? Look at how adorable that is. And you've got your little slit already cut. So this closes up so easy. And it's just a really, really cute design. Looks just like a little matchbook. I think it's so cute for a stationery lover or just for a cute little fall favor. and you just slip this right into the little slit that you made and it closes. So you can decorate this any way you want. Bri's using these chipboard pieces that we got from Target, and also she's going to be using a brad. So she's just going to reinforce this with a little bit more glue on the back just so it doesn't come up. And again, these are from Target, and they come in a big bucket and they're super cute. They're from the Spritz brand. And that's actually also the paper pad she's using. So if you don't have like a craft store, you check out your Target. So for the brad, she's going to put it between the slit and the first score line there. So all she does here, you can use a hole punch if you want, if you have a little teeny tiny one. But she just does like a little X with her X-Acto knife to get the hole there started. So she can just stick the brad through there, and it's just gives it a nice little decorative touch. So here's all the adorable matchbook Post-its that she made. Here's the one we did here on video. And I just think these are super cute and fun for a craft fair. So for the pricing on these, Bri is going to price these for $1 each for the craft fair. And that is just a great $1 grab item. We always like a lot of that kind of stuff at our craft fairs. So now for the little bonus project. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that these lip balm holders are one of our best craft fair sellers. And Bri has made some adorable fall ones this year. So these are all the cute little holders that she made. Again, these are one of our best sellers at the craft fair. They make for such adorable gifts, favors. You could also make these in like a Halloween style. And Christmas, of course, as well. They make great stocking stuffers. But I just love all of the cute fall ones that Bri made. And we do have a full tutorial here on my channel. I'm going to link it right up here for you. Plus, I'm going to link it in the description below, so you can make these yourself. She uses these chap ice that come 3 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And they're really nice quality. As you can see, she puts a plain piece of card stuck in there for a sentiment or a message. And she used the gorgeous rose gold paper from Michaels. But these are the chap ice that she gets at Dollar Tree, 3 for $1. I'll try to find those and link them below for you. Here's another one here. And she used so many different papers for this and just had a lot of fun with it. So, again, I have a full tutorial and I will link that below for you. But these are the fall ones that she made. And she used, again, she used the gorgeous paper, the rose gold here from Michaels. And we're also going to take you through all the other paper pads that she used. She just used like little scraps of paper here and there from her fall collections. So there's her lip balms, and again, I'm going to link the tutorial below. Just keep note that in the tutorial I'm linking, there's a small measurement correction in the description box and pinned in the comment section. So just keep that in mind. But these are super cute, and the pricing on these are $3 each or 2 for $5. So Bri and I really want to thank you so much for watching this video. We really enjoyed creating it, and I am so happy that Bri agreed to be a guest crafter again this year on my craft fair series. So again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!